Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to teach you how to download the Eclipse IDE. First you're going to want to go to download Eclipse and click the first link. Once in this page, download the 64-bit package. It'll bring you to a new page and just once again click download. This might take a while depending on your connection. Once it's finished downloading, go to the folder and double click the application. This will open up an installer, which we will use to download the specific Eclipse version that we want. Once the application is fully open, you're going to want to click the first link, as that version of Java is more than enough to get you started. Also, I do advise to keep everything as default, as later on it can cause some problems. Once it's finished installing, go ahead and click launch. This will prompt a new window, which you can safely click launch one more time. If the application opens up, you have successfully installed Eclipse. If however you cannot get Eclipse to open up, feel free to comment below and I'll be sure to help you out. Thank you for watching, and on the next video, we will get started on your first Java code.